Hi viewers, and welcome to another episode of On the Farm. We're vocal about everything local. I am Shakima Handley. On this episode of On the Farm, we journey to the Cecele Brown Integrated School, an extension officer along with director, to show the students and staff of the school how to make an organic pesticide. Before we get into it, we take a short break and be right back after this.
Our planet may be called Earth, but its surface is made up mostly of water. Water flows within us and is the driving force that unites all nature. Water is food, prosperity, energy, life. Yet today, too many people go without it, while others take it for granted. Care for water. Cultivate a sustainable future. Water is life. Water is food.
Good day, my name is Marvin Lewis, affectionately known as DJ Woodis, everybody know me. I am here as an extension officer attached to the Cecele Brown School. Today we'll be showing the students and teachers alike some life hacks, as they would call it, with some neem, garlic, pepper, cooking oil as organic pesticides. So we're gonna start now. First thing, you're gonna get the neem. The amount doesn't really matter, the more the merrier. Add some hot water. Let this wait, and as the old people will say, let the heat of the water drown all the minerals from the leaves. And we have garlic. 5 will do, but I will use 6 because I like to be extra. If you don't have something to crush it with, you can use a knife, like I'm using. This is good for drinking too, eh? Just a little joke. Smell good? Sure? Want to drink some? Okay. This is Val's Delight, we promote it local. So Val, you get a little plug here. Val's Delight pepper. 2 tablespoons of Val's Delight pepper.
And we use the pepper sauce in the event for those who do not have the actual hot pepper itself.
Just a little extra, so good measure. Stir. Then we're gonna add cooking oil. I think the cooking oil is for to keep when you spray this on the plant, it will stick on the plant, something like a, what do they call it, a sticker.
Yeah.
This is about a tablespoon.
2.
2 tablespoons. Need glasses. So.
And in the event that you don't have the cooking oil, you could also use your squeezy, your dish liquid. And as Woodis indicated, that it just not just spread, but it also holds the mixture onto the plant itself.
So in cooking terms, you let it marinate. Big word, 2 points for that. So you let it sit for about maybe 10-15 minutes, then the heat drought all the substance out of the neem and the garlic and the Val's Delights pepper sauce. And then after that, we're gonna put some more water with it, some room temperature water, and then we're gonna add it in our bottle, and then take it to your greenhouse or your backyard garden and spray. These are stuff that you could easily find in supermarkets and in your homes, and they are not chemicals, they're organic.
As you can realize, all the ingredients within the mixture are ingredients that we use at home. So basically indicating that it is 100% safe, and it's something that you could spray now, eat now. But for those who probably are allergic to hot pepper or who don't like pepper, then you can wait after. If you realize the mixture is a neem-based mixture, and basically neem has ingredients within it, some active ingredients within it that actually help to repel insect pests. It does not only repel, it also help in terms of slowing up the pests from actually transforming from one stage to the next. Whether you apply it at a larva stage, it slow them up from turning into a butterfly or extra, whatever the case may be. It also helps in terms of with the eggs also. If you look at the garlic, it also a natural repellent within the entire mix. And garlic in itself offers some antifungal properties. So it is just not the insect like the worms, etc. that you're trying to control. But for those who might have fungus, etc. on the plants, then this could also be used. If you look at the pepper sauce, again, for those who would have, and again, compliments Val's Delight, for those insects who would have bypassed the neem and the garlic, when they take a taste of the pepper, then again you realize those insects will stop feeding. And that will give you some time in terms of harvesting your plant. The cooking oil, again, or the dishwashing liquid, if you realize, if you just throw water onto the leaf of the plant, it's just gonna run off. Or you're gonna see little droplets, different spaces. And what you'll find is that the insects will just navigate through and through those little droplets. But using the cooking oil or the dish liquid, it actually evenly spreads it across the leaf surface. So therefore, you are at least 98% sure that you're going to come in contact, or they're going to come into contact with your mixture.
Being devil's advocate, I know some people home is going to ask, how often should you spray a mixture like this?
Well, a mixture like this, once you mix this, you put it down, you realize it's all natural, there's no additives. So you want to mix this maybe once every week and apply once every week. There's nothing, again, it is not an harmful insecticide. So therefore, the residual effect would not be as long as the pesticides that you find within the supermarkets. So once a week, or even if it's not once a week, we encourage you to monitor your plants, whether you're planting lettuce, tomatoes, etc. We encourage you to monitor your plants, look to see where you have insects, then you apply. Again, one of the things is that you may not see instant results as if you go to the hardware store and buy a pesticide. You will not see instant result because it is not harmful. So you will not see instant. What it does, it slows the insects down from consuming your plants. That's what it does. Probably if you even see like worms, etc., we encourage you to hand pick them. We know people are afraid of worms, but just pick them off. Just pick them off accordingly. But for the uses of this, there's something that we encourage within the schools. It's something we encourage for persons with their home gardens, because sometimes your kitchen and your home cooking and you're like, oops, I need something from outside. So you just go run outside, pick it up, come back in and cook. It's 100% safe. Well, if you were to look at your plants and observe your plants, because we encourage persons to spend time with the plants, not just put it in the ground and you turn off, go to the moon and come back. We encourage you to spend time with the plants. And if you realize, once you're spending time with the plants, you would actually see the insects coming out. So you'll see them early in the morning, very active. You'll see them late in the afternoon, very active. So these are the two times that we encourage persons to do the applications. If you go and you want to do it within the hot sun, you wouldn't be of avail, you wouldn't be effective.
And one of the most important things he said is monitoring of plants. Most people plant things and just leave them because they got water on it. They feel like the water and the moon and the sun is just going to do everything. Monitoring your plants is most effective because plants don't just get insects and all these things, bam, 1,000 of them overnight. You're going to see one, you're going to see two, and they're going to be multiplying. So be vigilant with your plants and applying this mixture early in the morning and late in the evening. You will see great success.
So we continue with the mixture, hopefully that most of the nutrients or most of the chemicals within the neem, the garlic, etc. would have been drawn, and then you add the cold water to it. And the reason being is that what you're seeing within the bowl, it's of a high concentration. So you want to dilute it down a bit.
So how much water did we add first?
So it is a 50-50. So you go 1 liter with hot water, you're going 1 liter now with cold water. Room temperature.
Okay.
And once this is done, then you
So in the mixture, you could leave in the neem leaves,
yes,
and the garlic.
Yes.
Let it marinate some more.
Yes. And what you do, when you're actually ready to apply the pesticide, you'll have to strain it because the leaves, etc., would end up and clog your whatever you're using to apply with. Okay? So this is your mixture.
Local fruit and vegetables produced for our nourishment. Buy local, eat local.
And there you have it, viewers, another episode of On the Farm, where we're vocal about everything local. Just to recap this episode, we journeyed to the Cecele Brown Integrated School, where we had representatives from the Department of Agriculture showcasing to the students and staff alike about the organic pesticide step-by-step process. We decided to do this particular pesticide because it's a bit more economically friendly. It is easy for you to find these items in your pantries, and is a safer way for the students who wish to spray in their greenhouses to apply application. You too can do this at home. Until next time, I am Cecele Brown. Bye.